Okay, so, hello. Today we're playing this game. It's like the Eat Waffle game, but, pizza. Also, before I start, I might also mention that I played this recently. As in recently, I mean, I just did it, but there's problems. This was gonna be the recording, but then it didn't. But now it is again. Wasn't because of a mistake or something, just because it didn't feel right. Not true. What didn't feel right? Didn't. Today I can show you how ridiculous these gifts are. Pepperoni. Tasty. Alfredo sauce. I just eat it whole. How am I getting 0? Why do I randomly just get bonuses? And I just start erupting into pizzas. That was something I also thought while playing this. Cheese. What? Why is there static electricity in the cheese pizza? Right there. How is bro going so fast? Chill out, dude. Also, I don't know what they're thinking, but the darkness isn't even in here. It's not even in the game, dude. Tasty. Anyways, let's just put this baseball cap. Look how many bites that gives you. Ham. Meat cubes. This is how you eat stuff in Minecraft. Meat cubes. Oh no, sequel cat. Sequel. Sequels. Eat them. Eat the seagulls. Stealing their stuff. I'm gonna sit on it. I'm flying. Oh no. I found out how to gain flight. Wait for a minute though. Let's see. Big potion. I already did that because, you know, yeah, I'm not gonna explain so much. I don't need to. Keep on saying that, it's just getting repetitive at this point. Let me see what I can get. Bacon? Oh, banana. Put banana on pizza. What? Oh. There's one thing that I said in the previous video that I wanna, well, not in the previous video, in the unused recording that I still want to say here. That being, there's a few reasons why you should watch my videos. I'm just not being petty because there's really explainable reasons. First of all, it's daily, so you don't have to wait. And even if that means I suck at this, like, even if it means my videos gonna be terrible, it'd seem terrible if I didn't. And I'm keeping my promise. It has always been daily. Also, crap. Let me just, yeah, it's also low budget entirely, so you won't be let down if it's just crap in general. Because if you like it like that, then you're gonna like this. Why does crates taste so? Why are they so expensive? Why are you expecting so much from us? Let me buy some stuff. Sorry. Anyways, also, first of all, I'm not like those YouTube Kids guys. And number 4, I'm not like those, since I'm not popular, then I won't get abused by those spammers. Whoa. Kill me. Thank you. Anyways, as I was saying, Since I'm not popular enough, since I'm not really popular, that also means that I won't be able to get spammed by bots. If you ever seen those recent bots, you know, like those YouTube troll police, which despite being called troll police, are the exact opposite. They troll you. They don't stop people from trolling. They intentionally troll you. They usually try and say stuff like my comment is better, plus like L ratio and shit like that. Basically just try and roast you and try and learn. They're doing that so they can get a response out of you. If you reply to them, that means you acknowledge them and hate them. That's what they crave. They want you to know that they exist. Since they technically have a reputation, they don't give a damn that's a bad reputation. As long as it's a reputation, they'll remain. They'll stay there. They don't care how much it is. I don't understand either. Also, their YouTube videos aren't even that good. I did like 2 times, which I probably shouldn't have, but I still did. And their YouTube videos weren't even good. Just one video, which I'm pretty sure the views were just I'm pretty sure most of the views came from just other bots. And they were just, it was just this video. It's just a video of their profile picture. But like that was it. Just some music and their profile picture that's been photoshopped to look like different characters, just have different designs. That's all that's different. Nothing else. Which is just generally insulting. Just it's not even threatening at this point. Just dumb. Nice, I don't know what that was, but that was definitely useful. Golden pizza slice, watermelons. Nice. Crystal pizza? Nah, that's it. It said Grimace Shake pizza. Come on, man. Do better. No, but for real, like, it said Crystal pizza. Why is it the Grimace Shake pizza? Trying to do that to farm more views? Come on, man. You died at this point. Change it back to Crystal. Anyways, as I was saying, hold on, let me think about it. I forgot again. Damn it. Anyways, back to the spam thing. Like they said, like shorts YouTuber, or just recently did one. Not even recently, just today. And yeah, do what they said. Just report them and ignore them. Okay, the stack of things actually pretty funny. Damn, only 2 people? Bro, okay. Diamond pizza? This is a strawberry pizza. That's speaking of strawberry pizza. Would it be good? What if strawberry pizza tastes good? Not sure. Anyways. Strawberry pizza. Really, why'd they say diamond? Come on, man. Diamond pizza, but the strawberry pizza. Can you just please, like, actually mean what you're saying? Oh, why is this pizza making me get fatter? I don't know, this one's a little more accurate. Oh, it was just an event going on. Okay, that makes sense. Just buying the sauces. Mesmerizing. Tasty. Now for real, what does strawberry pizza even taste good? It probably really depends on, like, everything. Like, is the bread strawberry flavored? If that's so, is there strawberry flavored bread? That's so. Oh, there goes the watermelons. I'm dead. The eyeball. Actually, this is pretty cool. I want to show you this. I call this one the eyeball. It looks like an eyeball when it's forming. Anyways. Yeah, what would strawberry pizza be good though? Like what toppings? What would the sauce, cheese, or bread be like? Would it be like something like a sugar cookie but more soft? When I mean by sugar cookie, I mean like those store ones. You know, the ones that are soft and taste really good. Those ones? Yeah. If it was like a strawberry flavored one, if it was like a big strawberry flavored version of that, definitely would buy. In fact, if there was a pizza version of dessert, like if there was a dessert version of stuff like pizza, That'd be cool. Speaking of which, what was stuff like not dessert? No, pie is a dessert. A sandwich? What would a dessert sandwich be like? Nope, everyone's gone. I'm the only one here. Let me just buy all the sauces. I want to see how that looks. I'll pour them all at once to see how mesmerizing they look. Oh, there's a thing right here. That's good. What does the Grim Shake even do? Let me test it out. I bet it kills me. Why the animated face? Okay. Let me just Wow, that was actually pretty cool looking. That was actually kind of cool though. Anyways, that's enough for today's episode. What's a pigment basket? I'll forget it. Anyways, so hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you want me to play because I'm trying to figure out that myself. And have a good night and see you tomorrow.